right. එතකොට අපි දැන් මේ වෙලාවේ වැඩි 5-10ක් අරන් බැලුවා database පාඩමේ ඕගොල්ලන්ට මොනවාරි ගැටලු තියෙනවද කියලා. So you just check it. You know, no one was telling me any questions, so that means it will be okay with you. And then we discuss, and I ask you to just look at from the grade 10 syllabus. Is there anything that you have to clear, or is there any lessons that you are not covered? So you just check it and told me. So everything is okay. Now, if that's so, I would like to move to the grade 11 syllabus. Grade 11 syllabus. What do you want to do? Do you have any other things to be clear in the grade 10 syllabus, or else shall we move to the grade 11 syllabus? It's up to you. Just let me know what you want to do.
Sir,
Oh, yeah.
sir, may operating system product explain කරන්න පුළුවන්.
Operating system එක. අනිත් අය මොකද ප්‍රශ්නය?
Sir, logic gates චුට්ටක් explain කරලා තමයි.
Right. හොඳයි. මෙතන දෙතුන් දෙනෙක්ම මට රික්වෙස්ට් දාලා තියෙනවා ඔපරේටින් සිස්ටම් එක පොඩ්ඩක් බලන්න කියලා. මම හිතන් හිටියේ එහෙම ඕකේ නම් මම ඊළඟට මේ ටර්ම් එකේ පළවෙනි පාඩම පටන් ගන්න ඇවිද්දේ database programming පාඩම. right? අපි එහෙමනම් ඊළඟ දවසේ programming පාඩමට පටන් ගන්න යමු. ඔයගොල්ලෝ රික්වෙස්ට් කරන විදිහට එහෙනම් අපි database මේහුම් පද්ධතිය කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? නැත්නම් අපි කියන operating system එක ගැන පොඩි හැඳින්වීමක් කරමු. බලමු. right. operating system කියන්නේ මොකද්ද කියන එක. අපි මේක කරලා තියෙනවා. අපි පොඩ්ඩක් උඩින් සාකච්ඡා කරන් යන්. ඔය යන අතරතුරේදී ඔයගලන්ට මොනවා හරි ගැටලුවක් ප්‍රශ්නයක් තියෙනවා නම් අන්න එතනදී මට මාවට අග්ගල ස්ටොප් කරලා ඒක සාකච්ඡා කරන්න පටන් ගන්න ඕනේ. මට කියන්න බලන්න ඔය අතරතුරේදී ඒකේ ඔපරේටිං සිස්ටම් එකේ කොයි පැත්ත ගැනද මොන තැනද ඔයගලන්ට ගොඩක් අමාරු කියලා වැටහුනේ. ඔපරේටිං සිස්ටම් එකේ කොයි එක ගැනද ඔයගලන්ට වැඩිපුරම කේස් එකක් ආවේ? එහෙම තැනක් කියලා නැද්ද? හොඳයි. එහෙමනම් අපි මෙහෙම කරමු. ඔපරේටිං සිස්ටම් එක කියන පාඩම පොඩ්ඩක් පෙරලා ගන්න. මේවුම් පද්ධතිය පාඩම පොඩ්ඩක් මොනවාද ඇක්ටිවිටි නෙමෙයි මේ අච්චුපතරම් පොඩ්ඩක් පෙරලා බලන්න කොතනද පොඩ්ඩක් පෙරලන් යන උඩින් කොතනද ගොඩාක් එරෙන්නේ කොතනද ගොඩාක් තේරෙන්නේ නැත්තේ කියලා පොඩ්ඩක් බලන්න. So as you requested, so I'm just it is better to repeat lesson because most of the people are not here today because they have gone for the camp. Prefects are gone for the camp, but unfortunately I was not informed. If I am informed, I would have changed the time and I would have given a separate time for them to do that, or else I would have cancelled the lesson. But anyhow, I am not informed, so I just arranged the class for today. Therefore, I will do that one, and we'll discuss the operating system.
Excuse me, sir. What is the camp they have?
Right. What is the camp and where they have gone is not belongs to us. So we will stop from there itself. We'll turn to that class now. So we are discussing today as revision about the operating system. So when we are talking about operating system, we have to understand what is operating system. So operating system is basically a program or the software which is very essential to operate the computer. So without an operating system, there is no any computer is working. Even not the computer Any device is not working without an operating system. So there are a lot of operating systems are available in the computer in the world. Some operating system are specialized for the laptops. Some operating system are very specialized for the moving devices. Some operating system are specialized for the desktops, and there are many operating system for certain devices, which are very essential, without which that device cannot be operated, right? And what does this operating system is do? The operating system is the main program which activates the hardware, and it gives us an interface to operate that device, right? That sort of a program is called operating system. That sort of a software is called operating system. So when the computer starts, what happens? So this is the beginning we were discussing. Once we give the switch on, once we switch on the computer, what happens? That is called booting system or the post system, power on self test, right? First it goes to the BIOS and it checks all the inputs and the output of the systems. And after that it goes to the CMOS settings. CMOS setting is the where the basic programs are installed, how to open the computer. So using that computer is going to configuration of the computers, and after configuring it goes to the MBR. MBR mean master boot records, so that which is available in the hard disk, and it loads into the computer RAM. So that is called booting, right? So the main operating system is going to install in the uh, RAM, right? Random access memory or the temporary memory, which is dealing with the CPU, right? So that is called booting. So when the booting computer, then after that all the things are done on the memory, right? So there are many operating systems such as DOS, Windows. There are some more. We will discuss on that. Then what is we discuss software where available the operating system. Once I told you the operating system is a software. If that is a software, where it is the place available in the operating system within the software group. software group එකේ කොහෙද operating system එක තියෙන්නේ කියලා තමයි මම මෙතනින් මේ උත්සාහ කරේ තේරුම් කරන්න. Right? There are main two types, system software and application software. So a computer must have to have a system software rather than the application software. Application software actually we need, but once we switched on the computer, to switch on the computer, we have to have a system software, right? System software is a software which is very essential to run a computer, right? Without which a system cannot on. Then the system software, again we divide into three types. First one is operating system, the other one is utility, the other one is language processors, right? So the operating system again divides into two, CLI and GUI. CLI means a character line interface. GUI means graphical user interface. So this is the two types of operating system which we learned already. Example for CLI is DOS. Example for GUI is Windows. That two operating system we studied, and we have questions in the question paper in the O-level on those two operating systems, right? Then we discuss what is utility programs. We have learned many utility programs like defragmentation, disk cleaning up, something like we learned a lot of things here. And the language processors are the interpreter, compiler, and assembler, which are helping to convert the low-level language to high-level language, or the human language to machine language. These are the interpreters. These are the language translators, right, in between two. What are the tools? The human and the machine, right? So these are the translators which is necessary for the computer operations. And then we talk about the application software, which has the packages and languages. Packages and languages, right? And And low level language, high level language. So there are two languages. We will discuss about those languages in this year in the first lesson of the grade level. We are going to learn about the languages in the first lesson of the grade 11. Right? We will discuss more on that. Right. Packages mean there are two types: special packages and general packages. Special packages is specially designed for some certain purpose. General packages are the program that is designed only for the certain purpose to done it, right? Not only one purpose. There are many purposes that can be done using those general purpose software, right? So this is what we are discussing about this year. Then we are discussing little by little out of them all. So utility program is what? All the programs which are helping the operating system to do its task very smoothly, right? So මොනවද utility program කියලා කියන්නේ? එකක් program එකක් software එකක් ඒක operating system එකට උදව් වෙමින් ඒක මෙහෙවන්න යන්න දවෙන operating system තමයි sorry software තමයි අපි කියන්නේ utility programs කියලා, right? අපි එකට කියන යටිතල මෘදුකාංග කියලා. යටිතල මෘදුකාංග. Antivirus guard, disk formatting, disk defragmentation, disk cleanup. There are many more software which is available in the operating system that helps the operating system to do its task very smoothly, right? And we discuss in detail about that, right? Then the language translators, as I explained you, there are three types of language translators. Assembler is used to convert the assembly language. Compiler and the interpreter are the translators that converts the human language to the machine language, but in both way. What is the two way? Compiler entire program at once convert into the machine language, but interpreter statement by statement converts, right? So when you are doing programming this year, I mean grade 11 first lesson, you will understand all those things because we will do some programming there, then you will understand that, right? How to convert, how to translate them. Right. So there are some operating systems are available. Name of the operating systems, right? Windows, DOS, Android, AS400, Mac OS, Unix, Linux, Ubuntu, iOS. There are many more. There are many more name of the operating systems, right? These are the names only, right? This is the main service done by the operating system. There are two main service, right? There are two of main operating system. And then these are the there are a lot of managements done by the operating system, and there are few management systems. මෙන්න මේ management system in detail ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ A level වලදී සාකච්ඡා කරනවා පුතේ. O level වලදී යම් ප්‍රමාණයක් විතරයි A level වලදී මේක බොහොම දුරට සාකච්ඡා කිරීම කරනවා. Right? එතකොට process management එක, memory management, device management, file management, security management, network management මේව තියෙනවානේ. ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ exam එකේදී අහන්න පුළුවන් යම්කිසි ක්‍රියාවලියක් දීලා මේ ක්‍රියාවලිය control කරන්නේ මොන management එකෙන්ද කියලා ඔය වගේ හතරක් දෙන්න පුළුවන්. Right? උදාහරණයක් වශයෙන් කියනවා මෙහෙමයි. These are the only example only, right? Kitmal USB pen එකක් ගෙනල්ලා connect කරනවා අපි හිතමුකෝ බිනරගේ කම්පියුටරේට. එතකොට බිනරේ කම්පියුටරේ අපිට යම්කිසි ආකාරයක මැසේජ් එකක් ලබා දෙනවා. මෙන්න මේ මැසේජ් එක ලබා දෙන්නේ පරිගණකයේ මොන මැනේජ්මන්ට් එකක් යටතේද කියලා අහන්න පුළුවන්. මේ උදාහරණයක් කියන්නේ මම. Can you understand? So Kitmal insert a pen drive to Binara's computer. Then at that time a computer prompt a message. That is done in which management in the computer system? So what could be the answer?
Security management.
Others?
Device management.
මොකද්ද සවිතු?
Device management.
කිත්මල්
Device
ඔයාවත්
management.
කිත්මල් ඔයාවත් කියන්න බෑ
File
ගහපැත්ත.
management.
ෆයිල් මැනේජ්මන්ට්. සනන් උත්තර.
File management.
What about others?
Device management.
Yeah, it should be device management. That is device management because message prompting when once you input to the computer, it detects from the device. No, it's device management. Right? Okay. At that time, there is a message is coming in that device, viruses are available. Discuss what could be the management that has been used to that.
Security management.
Yes, security management there. So like that, you should be able to know what is the management involving so certain task and the process, right? So you should be able to know that one. You have to clear on that. To only we are using this management system, right? Providing user-friendly interface, right? User-friendly interface is CLI and GUI. There are two types. And one is here types of operating systems. Single user operating system, multi-user operating system. You write down the name. Right. එතකොට multi-user operating system, multitasking operating system, real-time operating system. මොනවද මේ කියන්නේ කියලා අපි දන්නවා නේද? අපි සාකච්ඡා කරා. මේක නොදන්න කෙනෙක් ඉන්නවා අහන්න බලන්න. Okay, right. We'll move to the next one. DOS operating system. DOS operating system කියන්නේ මොකක්ද කියලා දන්නව නේද ඔයගොල්ලෝ? DOS කියන්නේ disk operating system. ඒක ගොඩක් CLI operating system එකකට උදාහරණයක්. ඒකෙදි හැම වෙලෙම type කර තමයි අපි commands දාන්න ඕනේ. Windows end ඉස්සල්ලා operating system එකක් තමයි. ඒතර DOS එක පාවිච්චි කරේ හැදුවේ Microsoft ලාගේ Microsoft ආයතනයෙන් හදපු operating system එක තමයි DOS කියලා කියන්නේ. ඒතර අපි ඒ සම්බන්ධව ඒක කොහොමද open කරන්න කියලා බැලුවා. ඊට පස්සේ අපි ඒක හරහා commands කීපයක් type කරලා run කරලා බැලුවා. ඒ commands අපි ගැන කතා කරනවා නම් මේකේ ලියලා නැහැ. right? DOS වල පාවිච්චි කරපු symbols තමයි තරුව, question mark එක, තිත නේද? ඒවා තමයි පාවිච්චි කරපු සංකේත. සහ අපි කතා කරපු DOS commands කීපයක් තමයි එකක් CLS, cd command, date command, time command, copy command, move command, right? dir command, cd command, cd backslash, cd double dot. So those are the commands we did practically and we practice it. Right? Any other questions on the DOS commands?